This is Ajay, and I'm really happy to be here today. I'm actually a food entrepreneur, and I've started various food businesses that are very innovative, that help others, that introduce new dishes, new flavours, new products.
My name is Stacey J. Mason. I am the founding director of Creative Optimistic Visions. We are a community interest company founded in 2004 that delivers alternative education, wellbeing services, universal youth provision, training and consultancy, which is all underpinned by the principles and practices of the protective behaviours process, which is a practical, down-to-earth approach around feeling safe.
So I am what people might call a wounded healer.
So yeah, the event was amazing. It's quite insightful. I'm very happy that I attended. Met some people that I had been meaning to meet.
It's a sculpture. And you just think I'm beat of it.
Porridge elephant. I love it.